The journey to building roads to success from 2013 to 2023, Dong Mai University was selected by the Central Committee and the People's Committee of Da Nang City as the only exemplary situation among the universities to be awarded a certificate of excellence for the implementation of Resolution No. 29 NQTW dated November 4, 2013 of the Party Central Committee on Fundamental and Comprehensive Innovation in Education and Training, meeting the requirements of industrialization, modernizations in the context of a socialist-oriented market economy and the international integration for a 10-year period. 2013 to 2023, Dong Mai University was awarded by the Da Nang City's People Committee a certificate of excellence in scientific, technological, and innovative startup activities in Da Nang City. Dong Mai University is the one and the only unit in the university sector honored by the Da Nang City's labor union as the unit that takes good care of the workers' lives in 2023. Cultivating knowledge, harvesting dreams, urging integration to create vivid portraits of each individual that Dong Mai University calls the journey of building roads to success. Meticulously crafted, nurtured, and steadfast from intelligence and courage right at the beginning of the journey to open up the university sky. Established in 2002, Dong Mai University chooses to invest the knowledge for promoting personal capacity. Professional expertise is to create a path to success and contribute to the sustainable development of the social community for thousands of students every year as the enduring missions that the university pursues. Dong Mai University's main campus is located at 33 Soviet Nghệ Tĩnh with a branch in Đắk Lắk, and it provides all the necessary conditions for students to develop occupational skills, explore on-the-job employment opportunities, to help local economic development and integrate internationally. It has 4 training campuses in Hòa Hải, Quảng Nam, Quảng Ngãi, and Gia Lai, as well as 5 practical training establishments, including the Olympia Sakura Integrated School System in Da Nang, Huế, and Quảng Ngãi, 3 automated technology workshops, food, medicine technology, and construction. There are 33 specialized laboratory practice rooms, as well as Japanese standard nursing skill lab and Australian standard kitchen practice area. Every year, there will be between 3,000 and 4,500 new students enrolled. Dong Mai University offers more than 40 fields of training, leading the trend of long-term human resource development, concentrated in the scale of 9 groups: health, business and management, tourism and hospitality, finance, languages and culture, computer science and information technology, technology and engineering, law, education and psychology. As the distinguishing trait of students, Dong Mai University takes pride in their ability to take responsibility, be professional, succeed, and be happy. The university defines its training part in morality, comprehensive knowledge, and the resilience of the modern human being based on the idea of practical learning and practice. It specializes in training closely related to skill improvement, foreign languages, application, integration, and community service.
Và tụi em cũng rất là vui, rất là tự hào vì được giúp đỡ các người dân mà con.
Regarding the training and research cooperation network is diverse and highly cohesive. Dong Mai University currently cooperates with more than 30 universities and research institutes from many countries such as United States, Canada, France, Belgium, Korea, Japan, Taiwan, and Malaysia. Focusing on scientific research and innovation, Dong Mai University currently has 4 active scientific institutes, book, and 196 international scientific articles published in journals in the list of prestigious journals. Web of Science covers 599 scientific research topics of teachers and students domestically and abroad. As of January 2024, the Webometrics ranking of world universities ranked Dong Mai University at 57 out of 187 universities in Vietnam for educational institution websites in 3 criteria: presence, transparency, and academic excellence. Dong A University also offers opportunity for students in the central region with the dream of becoming professional global citizens through joint training programs with the international universities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Korea, China, Taiwan, and Japan. Pursuing the goal of training and positioning the value of high-quality human resources with a spirit of high integration, serving and contributing to the long-term development of enterprises, locality, and the country of Vietnam. Dong A University is currently a reliable partner of more than 500 domestic entities and more than 150 localities, corporations, and enterprises in Japan, Germany, Singapore, Taiwan, Korea, etc. Among these, Japan is a strategic market with 13 universities and academies, 8 provinces and cities, and more than 120 large enterprises and corporations. Is a network of partners in various fields with in-depth quality cooperation models, aiming for 1,000 students from all majors to go to Japan for internship and work a year from 2025. Particularly, the Canada Social Medical Corporation, with its leading modern system of hospitals and healthcare facilities in Chiba Prefecture, is currently cooperating with Dong A University to build an international clinic in Da Nang City.
Xin cảm ơn nhà trường đã tạo việc cho em một con đường và em sẽ tiếp tục bước trên con đường đó.
In addition, there is a strong bond of cooperation in education, academia, and employment with 10 universities and businesses in South Korea, 5 in Taiwan, 3 in China, 2 in the United Kingdom, along with a network of partners in Germany, Singapore, the Philippines, and over 500 businesses and universities in Vietnam. The close integration of education, experience, employment motto is closely connected to the school, student, enterprise ecosystem. The majors of Dong A universities are very diverse so that the students can go for the most suitable choice of their career path in the future. They can also help each student to establish a culture of responsibility, integration, and development in each of their career stages in the internationalized environment to pursue success and happiness in life. The university has more than 40,000 graduates with the employment rate of 86%. Currently, there are more than 700 graduates working in various fields within the region, predominantly in Japan with 546 engineers, as well as in Taiwan, Germany, and Singapore, and soon in Australia and other developed countries. After gaining valuable work experience, being exposed to the advanced technologies and methodologies, graduates will return to contribute to the Vietnamese business community.
Rất vui mừng, rất là chi là hạnh phúc có được một đứa con vô trường Đông Á đây để học mà tới ngày hôm nay được thành đạt.
Dong A University is highly regarded by both domestic and international businesses for the quality of education and employment outcomes of its graduates across various fields. It is recognized as a leading university in Vietnam for its collaboration with Japanese businesses, as voted by the Japan External Trade Organization, or JETRO. This commitment to linking education and employment is also acknowledged by the consular offices of the United Kingdom, Japan, South Korea. The road to success is as flexible and sensible as flowing water, yet as steadfast as river. With this in mind, Dong A University remains consistent in leveraging its internal resources to enhance the quality of teaching and scientific research, applying technology to promote digital transformation in education and management, intensifying the power of its system to expand the collaborative development efforts. The university adopts the principle that the success of the students is the joy of the teachers, the success of the business is the joy of the university as its guiding philosophy. This ethos is embedded throughout its mission to become a reputable university in Vietnam and Asia, known for its scientific values and education contributions, making outstanding contributions to community development.